Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to look at the shared folder. We are going to see what it contains and how we can work with it. In the shared folders, we have two .dat files. One, the app background.dat file, and the other color constants.dat file. In color constants, we have a color constants class that defines all colors that will be used across the app. We currently have the primary color, the background color, and the second background color. In the app background.dat file, we have the app background. So looking at the MyMTN app, we see that in the home screen, there are two layers. There is the upper layer that contains the balances, and then there is the bottom layer that has the quick access sections. When we move to the Momo screen, we see the same thing here. There's the balance section at the top, which forms the upper layer, and the services section, which forms the bottom layer. So the app background is going to help us define the background structure of these screens. So when you go through the app background code, you realize that it is taking in upper layer widgets as well as bottom layer widgets. The upper layers paddings are defined, and then bottom layers padding as well as width and decoration is also defined here. So when we call the app background widget, we pass in the upper layer, and in the case of Momo screen, we pass it the balance widgets, and in the case of the bottom layer, we pass it the services widgets. Check out the next video as we move deeper into the other folders.